Sixth graders, today we're going to look at even and odd numbers and then divisibility tests for 3 and 9. And maybe you're wondering, what is a divisibility test? We're going to talk about it. So, every time. All right, let's try this again. So, when adding even and odd numbers, if you're adding an even and an even, you're going to have an even answer. Odd and odd, you're going to have an odd answer. But if it's odd and even, it's going to be an odd answer. With multiplying, even times an even is going to be even, odd times odd is going to be odd, and even times odd is going to be even. So opposites there for the last one with addition and multiplication. So let's look at some examples. So it says determine if the product, so for multiplication, or sum, addition, is even or odd. Okay, this one's even, this one's odd, so for addition, we're going to have an odd answer. Here we have two even numbers, here we have two odd numbers, and here we have two odd numbers. Okay, let me go back a couple slides here. I'm sorry. Odd plus an odd is going to be an even. Okay, and then multiplication, we have even times an even, odd times odd, and even times an odd. And our last one, 7 times 1, is going to give us an odd number. Now divisibility. So let's review. Divisibility rule for 2 is if and only if its units, that's the last digit, is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Divisibility rule for 4, if and only if its last two digits are a number divisible by 4. Divisibility rule for 5, if and only if its unit, again last digit, is 0 or 5. Divisibility rule for 8, if and only if its last three digits are a number divisible by 8. And for 10, if and only if its unit digit, so the last one again, is 0. And this does not work for decimal numbers. So if we have like 7.9, or let's say 7.4, it's not necessarily going to be divisible by 4. Okay? Now the new ones. 3, if the sum, so adding all the digits together, is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. And the same goes for 9. If the sum is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. So again, some examples. So 2,838 is divisible by 3, 9, or 4. Again, it could be more than one, so let's add our digits together. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 8 is 21. 21 can be divided by 3 and only 3. 34,515, sorry. So we add them together, 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 5 is 12, plus 1 is 13, plus 5 is 18. 18 is divisible by both 3 and 9. And here we have our last example, 6,240, again we add them together, 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 4 is 12. So 3 and 8, because our last two there, 40, is divisible by 8. So your assignment is to complete the Edmodo questions for lessons 16 and 17. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.